We're in Eakring and we're here to do a shoot of this wonderful property. I am pumped. I am really looking forward to this, yeah. You don't want to use the word pumped. So we're here today to produce all of my marketing information that I need to use. Yeah, I'm really excited. It's a great property. It's a really unique place and I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys do with it. It's going really well. I'm really excited to be here. What I find is that from an appraisal point of view, I can often see a property and then start to think about how it would actually represent across social media. And this property, I've been really excited to get to that point. What's really important when we arrive on a shoot is that we've put enough time in place where we can walk around with the team and create a bit of a storybook of what it is we're trying to achieve. So we've got the original entrance door, and then the client did this two-storey extension on the back, and then through into this dining room, but it also functions as a bit of a garden room. Something they've done in here as well in the whole house, they've insulated the whole property. And then this part is a family room stroke study. The client's got a cool collection in here. My favourite's the Land Rover. One of my favourites when I was growing up, an F40. Well done. So yeah, that's how we start the day, and then I always go and get changed, and then we get ready for action, and we work our way through it. I'm Andy Taylor from Fine & Country, and I can't wait to show you around Old Church Farm. I'm Andy Taylor. There's a bit of that. Okay, let's just one more. I love this job. I've been doing it for nearly 27 years, and I love this part of what we do now. It's massively important to market our properties across multiple platforms. I love all the tools we have today. You know, I go back to when we used to stick photographs on brochures, and that was it. To have the opportunity to really capture the property is a real unique feature. This property is great for a family. In particular, I love this lovely living kitchen. I have a family and I look at this space and think it'd be great for everyday living. Breakfast time, great living kitchen. Evening time, great dining kitchen. But it also offers a formal dining room, and it gives the versatility in those two other reception rooms to allow people to also break out and have their own space. I also love the layout. The fact that this house has been extended and now has the second staircase allows a great flow on all levels of the house. So again, connecting from one side of the house to the other can be done in quite a fluid way. In the original part, we have 4 bedrooms, 2 have en-suites, and then very cleverly moving through, they've created as a link a Jack and Jill main bathroom that connects back to the second staircase and landing, and that provides access to a principal bedroom with a dressing room and ensuite, and then a further bedroom on the top floor. So that the layout of this property, whether it's on ground floor, first floor or second floor, it just flows extremely well. Also great for families. I think children would love it. They could play some great hide and seeks. I think every shoot is a challenge because you want the best for your client. I really like the fact that we can get in front of that buyer, and when you meet that buyer, that relationship has almost been somewhat formed, and it helps elevate negotiations to another level. So I love the fact that we can connect with our audience and really sell the benefits of these properties that we have. Shall I start again?